Hi guys, yet again welcome back to Ash's Kitchen. Today I am gonna cook something very healthy, something very nutritious. Okay, today I'm planning to introduce soup into my kitchen. Yes, the name of the soup is Bottle God Veggie Delight Soup. Nutritional value it's quite high. It is tasty, it is wholesome. I have named it Bottle God Veggie Delight Soup because it is not only made from bottle gourd. Bottle gourd you call dudi in Hindi, Loki dudi. Apart from Loki dudi, I'm also putting inside it good wholesome vegetables. So there is a way to make it, which my way to make it. So I would be introducing my way of making this soup. It is really very wholesome, very nutritious. If you're planning to go for a detox diet, do try this. It will cleanse your body, cleanse your system. So let's check out into my kitchen how to make the soup. Bottle gourd veggie delight soup. So we start making our bottle gourd soup now. This is one bowl of bottle gourd, also known as Loki, and just I will show you how to go on. So I'll first switch on the gas, okay, and then one bowl of bottle gourd I'll just put inside it. Then goes two chopped tomatoes. Chop it big, no problem, because as it is we are going to grind them. This is one onion, roughly chopped. This one carrot, roughly chopped, and then I would be putting water just above, it reaches above the vegetable level, and then we would close the cooker and give it a whistle, three whistles. So after three whistles, I allowed the cooker to cool down and then I removed the lid. So this is the way it has been mashed. I did not have potatoes at my place, so one potato also can be added into this. And so I would be just removing the vegetables and putting it in the grinder. Leave the water inside. So you could strain it also, and you can also use it as a clear soup, but I am grinding the vegetables, so I'm not taking the water, just the vegetables, boiled ones. While I'm grinding, I'm also adding 3 cloves of garlic, which is optional. It's up to you. If you don't want to add, you don't add, but I do add it. So I have grinded the vegetables and I have obtained this pulp from it. So the water is still there. I have strained the water. I've strained the vegetables and left the water here. So this is the pulp. Now I've switched on the gas and I would be putting the pulp inside it. So this becomes the soup base for us. It's a very nutritious soup, especially if someone is sick in the house, or if you're a gym freak, you can have this. It's really very good. Okay, now we'll start with putting the seasonings. This is salt as per taste, so this would go. Then would go black pepper. Okay, then would go red chili powder. We need to, you can decide the consistency of the water or the soup, consistency of the soup, how watery you want it. So that's for your choice. And then we would add red chili powder I've added. Okay, anything handy in your house. I have sprouts, so this I would be putting half a bowl, one bowl, whatever. And whatever vegetable, it's not necessary sprouts. If you have mushrooms, then you can go for mushrooms. Then I have corns. Then again I've just washed it and I could go inside this. Then I have chopped carrot and French bean, so this would again go into this. Wholesome, you have to make a wholesome stuff. The base we have done it, and then we'll make a wholesome stuff. So now we have to cook it for some while, as around I would say 4 minutes, and keep it on sim, medium sim, and then we'll just take a call how to serve it. This is tomato ketchup. If someone is sick in the house, then don't put it if you're serving for the sick. But for normally, if you're serving it before the starter, you can. So I'm putting 1 big spoon of tomato ketchup. Then would go little lime, which have missed on. Just squeeze half lime into it. Tomatoes are already doing the tangy uh, flavor, giving the tangy flavors, but little dash of lime also is required. And see, this is the way it's going to look. Just keeping it for boiling now. So I have switched off the gas now, and our soup is ready. Okay, now I would just plate it. Taking a soup bowl, and so a little bit of coriander you can garnish on it. Again, this is optional, and it's ready. It's a wholesome soup. As I told you, the vegetables which are handy in your kitchen, you can use them to topple up. Like I have used carrots, I have used sprouts, you can use mushrooms, you can use kidney beans. So the base, the pulp of the soup was, I had shown you. It's made from dudi loki. It's very wholesome, very nutritious. Do give it a try. It's also very tasty. I have added limited spices, but you can add on to the spice and give it a try. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment. So for now, I take your leave. Stay fit, stay healthy. Bye bye.